Hi kids, Miss Debbie here today at Fountaindale Library. I hope you came in and picked up our Take It Make It umbrella. This little video is going to show you how to put together our cute little umbrella for springtime. Let's get started. Okay kids, so in your kit at the library you're going to get 4 of 2 different colors of circles. These are just 4-inch circles made out of like copy paper. So if you want to make 4-inch circles at home, you can make more of these little umbrellas. We're going to have a coordinating pipe cleaner and some stickers to decorate. What you'll need is a glue stick and some tape right here. And if you want to do a little more decorating, you have your markers and colors ready and stuff to make your umbrella your own. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your circles and you're going to fold each one of them in half like this and then in a quarter like that. See, it's like a little pie shape. And you're going to sit it on the counter just like that. That closer for you so you can see. Okay, so again, it's in half like this, and then in half like that. Okay, and you set it next to this one. I'm going to move these out of the way for just a minute. So I already did the rest of my circles here. So I have my green one and my purple one. So there's half of my umbrella, isn't it, and stuff. And then, let's see here. So then I have my purple one and my other 3, and that's my other half of the umbrella. So I would do a half at a time. Make sure that you start that this one is green and that one is purple if you want to alternate colors. Otherwise, you can do what you want to do too, kids, with that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So I'm going to take the first part of my umbrella and see how easy it is to figure out which side you need to glue then. No, that glue stick's not any good anymore. So you want to make sure that you glue really good on the ends because you're going to want it to look really nice. So, and you're going to want to line up the edges really nice too. So, and the good thing about glue sticks is you can kind of move it around, can't you? So you see how my corners are matched up really nice like that. Okay, and then I'm going to put it on this one, and my next one is sitting here ready to go right on top of that one, isn't it? So again, I want to match up my corners and my ends as best as I can. So I have a nice looking umbrella on the end. And then I'm going to do this one. And match up my corners really nice again. Okay, so there's half my umbrella, isn't it? See? Okay, so this one, I did these 3 already, so I just have to do this last one. Put that on there. And you can keep going around if you want to. I just think this is kind of a nice way to do it. So then I'm going to connect these 2 ends together. So I'm going to put some glue on this one here. And I'm going to match that one up with this one as best as I can. Whoops, didn't quite get that good. The thing is to turn it upside down, I think, like this. And match those up the best you can. Okay, so now I just have this one side that's open, isn't it? So I think that's a pretty good place to put a pipe cleaner, don't you? So what you're going to do is you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to fold it in half. And then you're just going to twist it. That makes it a little bit thicker. And it'll be fun when you make the little turn on the handle, won't you? So then you want to just set it in there and secure it in there with a little piece of tape. And you don't want the piece of tape too big because you're going to have to glue that, aren't you, to keep it in there. But this will just tack it in there kind of nice and keep it in place for you. It's just like a little cradle in there, isn't it? Okay, and then we're going to put our glue to close our umbrella up. And connect it with this one. And again, we'll do the best we can to even it all out. Okay, and then you just bend it around there. And there is our umbrella. So now you can just bend up the handle a little bit like that to make your loop. And it's kind of fun, isn't it? So then you can take your stickers and you can put them around. You can see how I just stuck them here and there. And you can take your markers too. And you can take your markers before you start gluing too, because that would be another option for you. So that's how we make our Take It Make It umbrella. I hope you have fun making our little umbrella, and I hope to see you in the library soon. Bye-bye.